What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Dr. Collins here, give you some good game on how to market your court-mandated business. So if you're a therapist, counselor, social worker, if you're licensed, if you're unlicensed, and you want to learn how to provide psychoeducation groups, hey, I'm here to help you market your program. I'm here to give you all the game, okay? But before we get started, I want to let you guys know about our Certified Anger Management Specialist training, January 16th and 17th, Friday and Saturday here in Georgia. I'm going to give you the game. I'm going to show you how to facilitate court-mandated anger management classes, okay? This is going to be a game changer for you. If you're looking to get into this business, if you're looking to provide services and help out your community and yourself, show up for the training. We're going to show you how to market yourself. We're going to show you how to facilitate the classes, okay? This is not just going to be one of those trainings where we pump up a PowerPoint. No, we're going to actually show you how to do it. We've been doing this work for the past 15 years. My name, of course, is Dr. Collins. I'm the founder of the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers, here to help you get certified and provide court-mandated classes, all right? So if you're ready to get started, you're ready to learn how to market yourself, let's lock in, okay? Are you ready? Let's get it. So the number one thing that you have to recognize is that you have to practice implementation, okay? So many people focus on information and they don't want to execute for so many different reasons, but the number one reason always is fear, okay? I don't want you guys to be afraid. I want you guys to execute. Don't be afraid to make it happen, all right? But let's say you are afraid. Guess what? I need you to be brave, okay? I need you to be brave, practice brave thinking and taking brave actions and doing things anyway. I remember when I started, I was scared to death, okay? I did not have a mentor. I did not have a coach. And if you guys know anything about this field, guess what? They gatekeep all the information, okay? No one is trying to share information with you. And that's why I'm here giving you the game today on how to get started and promote your court mandated classes like anger management, like parenting, like shoplifting, and whatever other classes that you want to offer in your city or state, okay? But the number one way to get court mandated classes is to advertise. You have to advertise and promote yourself online because that's how your clients are going to find you. There's a number of different ways to be found, but the number one way, in my opinion, is to be found online, okay? That's how we get a ton of our clients, okay? All right, so you want to market yourself on Google, okay? You want to have a Google business profile. You want to have a great looking website, okay? Because the clients are judging your website. Believe it or not, they're trying to figure out if you're a scam or not, okay? There's a lot of scamming going on. A lot of people are judging other people. They're judging businesses and they're trying to make sure that they're not being scammed out their money, okay? They're trying to find out if you're a legit business. Guess what? Hey, you guys might be checking me out to see if I'm a legit person and do I know what I'm talking about? You're trying to find out if I'm the real deal, and that's okay because I know how it is, all right? So understand that people are going to check you out and try to figure out if you're legit, okay? Number two, you want to send brochures to defense attorneys. Let defense attorneys know that you're in business. Let them know about your classes. Let them know about your evaluations. If you're a person like me and you do two things, right? You do evaluations and you do classes. You want to let them know about your evaluations and classes. Or if you're a person that's just getting started and you just want to provide classes, let them know about your different classes, okay? So as long as you're certified, qualified, and have the experience and you're using the evidence-based curriculum, hey, that works, all right? Let people know that you're in business. Let them know that you're ready to rock and roll, okay? Very important, okay? So if you're not licensed, you're not certified, it's a no-go. But if you're a person like myself, when I started, and I wasn't, a licensed therapist or anything like that, but I got certified in all these different areas like anger management, parenting, shoplifting, you can do it, okay? I started off teaching DUI school, okay? I started off teaching defensive driving classes, DUI school, and then I upgraded to anger management. Then I started teaching other different types of psychoeducation classes. Remember, this is psychoeducation, so it does not require you to be licensed in multiple cities, states, okay? So understand that you guys can do this, okay? You just have to not be scared, okay? If you're afraid, that's okay. Do it anyway, okay? Because I was scared too, okay? I understand. I've been where you've been, okay? But if you face your fears, you can end up getting a big old blessing. And I'm here to help you guys get your blessing, all right? That's what I want you guys to do. Some people go to courthouses and market their services, all right? They walk in, they see people getting sentenced. Hey, they hand people their cards. They do that. I know people that do that. I know a lady right now, she has 27 groups going per week because they sit in the courthouse and letting people know about their programs, letting people know about their classes. Also, you don't have to do that. I don't have time to do that personally. I don't have time to sit in the courthouse, and I'm not trying to do that. There are people that, like myself, will put out billboards all over the city, okay? And you don't have to get a billboard if you don't want to, but that's a great way to get exposure. I've had several billboards in my career advertising court mandated services over the freeways and all that good stuff. So billboards can range from $500 to even $3,000 per month, okay? It all depends on the area and how much traffic it's getting. But an effective way to get clients is having yard signs. Having yard signs advertising your anger management classes. That is a great way to get clients. You have these yard signs in high traffic areas, okay? Like in front of Costco, Walmart, on freeway exits, letting people know that you're open for business, because my first clients were not court mandated, okay? I got a lot of private clients, okay? So remember, your clients do not have to be court mandated to come to you and pay for your classes. Remember, they can pay you cash, debit, credit, HSA, health savings account. They can use all that good stuff to pay you. So don't be afraid. Make it happen, all right? Do not get the information and do not implement, okay? Do not get the information and do not implement or execute. I need you guys to execute, okay? No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to save you in 2026 with AI, robotics. Things are changing. The game is changing, all right? So understand, you need to put yourself in a position to where you have ultimate leverage, okay? Whether you're getting certified or getting licensed to provide different evaluations, classes, and services. Get the information that you need to go to the next level, okay? So we're going to put out yard signs. We can do billboards. We could mail out brochures to defense attorneys. We can go to the courthouse. We can improve our SEO. That stands for search engine optimization. We can have a great website. We can make sure that we're being shown in AI searches. There's a lot of different ways to market yourself. Here's another way to market yourself is you're going to advertise yourself to DUI schools and DWI schools, because they don't always provide the other services that you may provide, like anger management, parenting classes, and shoplifting classes, or domestic violence classes, because they might just focus on DUI school and defensive driving classes. Well, that's where you come in and get referrals from other DUI schools, because you're not a DUI school, you're not a DWI school, and they refer clients to you. Or guess what? If you're a DUI school or a DWI school, you might want to start adding these services, all right? Because you're leaving money on the table, okay? You're leaving money on the table if you're not providing these extra services that can get you paid. You want to have multiple streams of income. So if you guys want to learn stuff like this, you guys want to dive deep, you want to learn about marketing, advertising, you want to learn about AI, because I'm an AI junkie, okay? I'm an AI junkie for real. You want to learn how to do AI, join me at my VIP day. You can schedule a VIP day with me here in Atlanta, or we have one coming up February 27th in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. I would love to see you there. I would love to build with you and give you the game that has helped me make a ton of money. So I'm here to help you guys out. If you guys want to learn it, I got you, all right? So call my team at 404-503-8069, or just go to, sorry guys, just go to thediversioncenter.com and get the game, all right? I cannot wait to work with you guys. I'm excited for the new year. I want you guys to get excited. And most importantly, I want you guys to believe in yourself, because I know what it's like to get started. I know what it's like to be afraid. I know what it's like to be unsure, and if this will work for you. But I guarantee, if you just do it step by step and execute and just put yourself out there anyway, and you do good work and you actually do your best, it will work out for you, okay? You got this. I'm here for you. I got you. If you need help, watch my videos, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, and I would love to give you more game, all right? See you guys later.